Hi guys, this is Mar, and today I'm going to show you how to change your MacBook wallpaper. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first thing we're going to do is to open up settings on our computer. Now, once you open settings, you're going to see a bunch of different options, but you want to go ahead and scroll down and select wallpaper. Now, your MacBook is going to show you all kinds of different wallpapers. You're going to see landscape wallpaper, cityscape, underwater, earth, or you also have just your normal wallpapers that you're going to find in your photo album. So in case you want to add your own pictures or a family photo, you can also do that by clicking right here where it says add a photo. So go ahead and select from photos. This will automatically open up your photos app in case you have it connected to your phone, and you can select the photo that you want. But in case you do want to play around with all the pictures and images that your MacBook has, trust me, you're going to find a lot. So for example, I like these under picture. This is the one I have right now, and they have different options that can look really professional and a little bit more clean on your MacBook. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're also going to find colors. In case you just want a single color as your background, you can select it. And as you can see, it's automatically changing the background as well, so you don't have to wait and go back and see how it looks like. You can just simply wait a second until it finished downloading, and there you have your new wallpaper. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you find a new wallpaper that you like.